అయిందా
సెకండ్స్
వస్తున్నాయి.
ఓకే. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ స్టూడెంట్స్. టుడే in physical science class we are going to discuss the 6th class lesson, physics lesson, playing with magnets. Playing with magnets, it is the second chapter in your textbook. Dear students, are you interested play with magnets or not? మీకు అందరికీ మ్యాగ్నెట్స్తో ఆడుకోవటం ఇష్టమేనా? ఇష్టమే అవుతుంది. ఎందుకని? వై we are interested to play with magnets? Because one metal attract the another metal. For example, magnet also seems to be a metallic object, iron object. Magnet, its chemical formula Fe3O4. 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 It is the symbol of the magnet. Magnet symbol, chemical symbol Fe3O4. Chemical name magnetite. What is that one? Magnetite. So from magnetite we extracted the name magnet. Chemical symbol Fe3O4. So like that, in our daily life we playing with magnets several times. For example, when you go office room of your school, your principal's room or your AO room, there one pin box is there. Pin box in your textbook, page number 12, figure number 1A, page number 12, figure number 1A, you seems to be one type of box. Such a box is known as the pin box. In that one, all the pins are, some pins are at the bottom of the box, some pins are attracted the surface of the pin box. Why it was attracted? Not only that, but also sometimes your mother or father used the magnets to collect the either ball pins or small nails, iron nails fall on the floor. They will be used to collect that all with the help of the magnet. Why? Because of magnet attract the iron, nickel, cobalt, gadolinium and dysprosium commonly. What are they? Magnets attract the iron, nickel, cobalt, gadolinium, dysprosium commonly. Not only that, but also sometimes we are used to some types of stickers, metal stickers. We are attached to your almirah or iron safe, etc. also. Why? How they are attached to that one without gum? So these iron stickers also having a small magnet back side of that one, that will be attracted to these iron safe or iron almirah. So that's why these stickers of gods is attached or sticky with the iron doors of the almirah and also the iron safe. So in this way, iron, these magnets are useful in our daily life. Not only that, but also, have you know about the earphones? Sometimes your mother, father, sister, brother, and you also enjoying the music by the help of the earphones. That earphones also consisting small magnets inside of it. Okay, not only that, but also every speaker means not a human being. Speaker, deck boxes also consisting the magnets inside of it. That's why magnets is used in our daily life not only for playing purpose, but also in the technical purpose. So that's why nowadays magnets take a main role in our life. So when magnets are discovered, magnets are discovered around nearly 2500 years back. 2500 years back, there lived an old shepherd named Magnus. What is the name of the person? Magnus. When 2500 years back, 2500 years back, name of the person Magnus. He is a shepherd boy. Shepherd means who graze the sheep. That he is called the shepherd. Sheep, గొర్రెలను మేపుకుంటూ ఉంటారే వాళ్ళని షెపర్డ్స్ అని పిలుస్తారు అన్నమాట. సో who graze the shepherds, they are called shepherd boys. So are shepherds. 2500 years back, a shepherd named the Magnus, he used to take his goats and sheep to the hills for grazing. He always carried a wooden stick which had an iron cap on its lower end. One day, while his goats were grazing, Magnus dipped his stick into a spring of water and poked at the pebbles and stones at the bottom with it. Suddenly, he felt something pulling his stick. When he took it out from the water, he saw a stone stuck to the iron cap. So the stone which Magnus pulled out was called lodestone. It is a natural magnet and possesses the property of the attracting of iron. Attracting of the iron. What is that meaning? 2500 years back in the Asia Minor, a shepherd boy named Magnus, he went to the one hill to graze their goats and sheep. Always he take one help of the one stick. That stick ends are covered with the iron coating or iron clamps. So he will be moving in that way. Once upon a time or one day, he want to drink some water in a stream or spring. At that time, he kept his stick in that water. After drank the water, he want to pull out the stick, but stick was not coming out. It was dragged downwards. So that's why he will be astonished or wondered which was pulling inside of the water to his stick. So that's why he pulled forcefully that one. Along with the iron clamp, one stone also came. He was wondered and he showed that stone. The people of his village, they told that the stone which attract iron called lodestone. What is that one? Lodestone. Lodestone. Stone which attract the iron called lodestone. Another one, the lodestone is otherwise lodestone is the name of natural, natural magnet. That is, lodestone is the name of the natural magnet. So natural magnets are very weak magnets. Natural magnets are very weak magnets. They are not strong. They are not attract the all other with forcefully. They attract very weakly. Not only that, but also natural magnets are not in regular shape. What is that word? Stone which attract iron called lodestone. Lodestone is the name of the natural magnet. Natural magnets are very weak magnets, and natural magnets are not in regular shape. They are in different shapes. Regular magnets that are, so the magnets we discussed are not natural magnets. The magnets are man-made magnets. Now we are going to talk about man-made magnets. Talk about man-made magnets. So two types of magnets are there. One is the natural magnet. Second one is the man-made magnets. Natural magnets are weak. Natural magnets are irregular, not in regular shape or irregular shape. But man-made magnets are strong and also regular in shape. Okay, have you understood? These all of you copy. These all are in your class work notebook. All of you keep 2 notebooks for physics. One for the class work, one for the field work. Class work is very, very important. In this way, so many objectives are come. What is that one? When the magnets are discovered, 2500 years back. What is the name of the shepherd boy? Magnus. What is the name of the natural magnet? Lodestone. So, how natural magnets are strong or weak? Weak only. Next, what is the shape of the magnet? Natural magnets. Natural magnets shape is irregular. Natural magnets shape is irregular. So, in this lesson, which magnets are discussed? Man-made magnets. In this way, from the lower class onwards, we have to prepare at the side of the objectives. You can get the IIT seats. Not only that, but also any competitive examination you can win easily. So that's why from the beginning onwards, all of you learn the lesson pin to pin, pinpoint, and also prepare your own way these objectives also. Shall I repeat? Okay. Now we are going to discuss the different shapes of man-made magnets. What is that one? Different shapes of man-made magnets. Okay, first one. What is that one? Bar magnet. Bar magnet. Bar magnet. What is the shape of the bar magnet? Bar magnet shape is like this. It is the rectangular shape. It consisting two poles. One is south pole and another one is the north pole. S for south, N for north. Every magnet consisting two poles. One is the south, second one is the north. South pole, north pole, south pole and north pole. Next, second one, horse shoe, horseshoe magnet, horseshoe magnet. What is that one? Horseshoe magnet. What is the shape of the horseshoe magnet? Like this. It is in the U shape. Horseshoe magnet. This is the and it is this. South pole.
It's 8:20 a.m. It's 8:20 a.m.
So this is north pole. It is south pole. Next, ring magnet. What is that one? Ring magnet. This is like this. Ring magnet. Next, disc magnet. disk magnet. Bottom south pole, upper part north pole. This is the ring magnet. One side north pole, in back side south pole. In this way, 4 types of magnets are there. One is the bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, ring magnet, disk magnet. Okay, I am going to explain about these all magnets and also the next finding the materials attracted by the magnets also in next class. Okay, bye. Have you understood this class? Thank you.